Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the outline feature built into Google Docs. So you can select it over here and you see that you have to put in some headings. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go up to Format, then we're going to select Paragraph Styles and then select Title and Apply Title. Now I'm going to go ahead in and just call it Paragraph 1. When you do that and you select over here, you can see that Paragraph 1 comes up right here. If I'd like, I could come down to Paragraph 2 and again go to Format. This time though, we're going to make it Heading 1. You can also use Control-Alt-1, just like you can do with the others, all the way down to 6. But let's go ahead and apply Heading 1, and we'll call this Paragraph 2. And now we're going to use that nice shortcut. So again, it's Control-Alt-2, and we're going to call this Paragraph 3. And of course, you can go ahead and let's just go in. Let's do Paragraph 4, and let's finish this last one. Paragraph, 5. And you can always hide the outline as well. But what's really nice is when you come up, you can select the document outline and go right to that paragraph. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.